Alright, hey guys, so I'm doing some test runs on the way that I want to start doing my videos from now on. So this all started with me relocating pretty much everything in my office. I originally had my desk on the other side of the office, and it put me pretty much against the wall, and the only thing I could really do is have a picture behind me. So I moved everything, and I'm going to try to put like a nice bookshelf over there and then put some of my stuff behind me so it looks like there's like it's a living space and there's actually some stuff. So I'm gonna also put some really cool cyber things. I also got this picture, and depending on how it looks on webcam, I might put that up too. But so this all started because I wanted to be a little bit more professional. And in some of the very well done professional videos that I've seen, it starts off with a full view of the instructor or the person delivering the weekly news, and they talk. So that's how I want to start this off. So I really quickly jimmy rigged this or made this, in which yeah, I'm moving this around, but this is going to be my desktop, and I kind of just have plans something along the lines of this being up. So the plan is to kind of like have this up so when we start, it's like you get to see me instead of seeing this. This is how I've had it before. Hello everyone, my name is Jack Ward, and we're going to set up the user server. That's how I've had it before. I mean, I like it, but everything I've ever seen is like a full wham. So you get to see who it is on the first couple ones. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do here. Actually, I really like the the box around my webcam, and I kind of want to keep that. Oops, go back. Um, so since we're doing a little bit behind the scenes, I'm going to show you pretty much what I'm using. I'm using Streamlabs OBS, and let me go ahead and see if I can. Does that make it look any better? It's still, a picture inside of a picture inside of a picture inside of a picture inside of a picture, but using Streamlabs OBS. And this is what I'm using. I got all my scenes and everything. And for this, I'm going to be flipping back and forth. Let me turn my webcams back on. Okay. All right. So I kind of want this blue box to kind of frame my face. I don't know how it's going to look. It might absolutely suck. But I mean, what's going to hurt playing around with it and figuring out what I like. So I kind of want to bring this here and go. Um, Can I go? There we go. And I want to zoom out. I guess I can just make bigger and bigger until. I think that would look good. Let's transform and edit. Let's move the crop from the right. Go 100. Okay. All right. I think almost want to be here. Let's bring it down to 50. Nope. What about 75? What? What about cropping from the bottom as well? Ah, see, now it's just being mean to me. I think it's gonna be stuck. I'm gonna have to go into Photoshop and actually make it the parameters that I want. But I mean, would it look good? Even if I did it like that. If I were to do that, then so like a small kind of outline. I don't know. I kind of like it. I think I'll do that. Hmm. Because that kind of looks generic. You know what? I want like a middle bar right there. You know what? Bring back this frame. Let's just drag the frame over. Ah, look at that. That would be a great middle bar, actually. I just might keep that. All right, you know what? Yeah, we're gonna do that. That's how it's staying. Hey, all right. That was pure accident, but I like that. It's like a big distinguishing between what's me and what's the thing. So bam, right there, knife hand. Really fun trying to do it with the camera. All right, sweet. Okay, I'm kind of liking where this is going. And then, but when I get here, I actually want to flip back. All right, so I mean, this is the old one. Hopefully, you guys already seen the video that goes to this PowerPoint presentation. I set up Geezer server, and I did it. Oh my god, 2 weeks ago. I lost count. All right. So the way that I would want to do this is something along the lines of. I still want to. You know what? Okay. I would probably do something like this. All right, I'm gonna say goodbye temporarily. Him. Yes, I would hit record, and then I'd go. Hello, everybody. My name is Jack Ward, and I'm going to guide you through setting up Geezer server. All right, that's perfect. All right, I'm Jack Ward. I'm going to set you through setting up Geezer server. You can follow me at the links on the bottom left hand of the screen. Let's get into it. Damn. There we go. Because I want this to be the first thing that you see when you get into the video. This is what I want you to see. Then I want it to pop over here. Hello, everybody. I'm Jack. And then I want to pop back to this, but I want my webcam to already be there. So I can click it on and it turns on. What I could do is just start here. I could start here. You know what? There we go. I could start here and get my display capture. So I could get this guy. And you know what? I'm going to duplicate him. Here, you guys can join me. It's within, and it's probably really small. You can't really see it, but you know what? Let me let you guys see it then. All right, so you know what? What I want to do is I'm gonna come to this one. And then whenever I click it, it disappears for you guys. All right, whatever. You can deal with it. I'm going to take this display capture. Let's go ahead and copy and paste. Copy. Did I click it? All right, now where would I hit paste? Paste, duplicate, duplicate. What? I don't know what I just did. I'll remove whatever the hell I just put there. Display capture. I want to copy the display capture. Paste a reference. Okay, so now I have two display captures, one on top of each other. All right, I'm gonna move this over here. All right, let me make this a little bit bigger. Bigger, that should be covering the entire screen. All right, so hello, my name is Jack Ward. No, you know what? Better enough. I would hit record and this would be up, and then all I do is hide it. Hello everybody, I'm awesome. Oh, but then I missed that transition. You know what? I want the webcam to kind of always be on. Yes, there is that lack. There's that 2 seconds where I'm not there. Alright, so let's keep it activated at all times. And let's come here. There we go. And as for webcam, I'm just gonna have to turn on the webcam when I come back to here. That's pretty much all it is. So this idea of having the display capture replicated, there's no real transition now without me doing a lot of work. So I'm just gonna delete that. That was a good idea. Alright, so yeah, what I'll do is we'll just start off with it like this. Hello everybody, my name's Jack Ward. We're going to be setting up Geezer server today. Contact me at the links in the bottom left hand of your screen. Let's get to it. Alright, so some requirements for this tutorial. Alright, yeah, that's exactly the way it's going to go. Yeah, absolutely. That's my decided factor. So let me go ahead and pull this back up. I'm going to want to have this up on the other screen. Make it small enough so I have some real estate over here. Okay, sweet. Man, I really want to find out how you put the videos on top of the videos like on your screen, so all the person has to do is click on the video. Right now on YouTube I have it where a little bar pops up here saying, hey, something about Geezer, why don't you click here, or hey, something about Proxmox, click here. But I know there's a way to actually put like a layover over this. I think it's at the very end though. Man, I was really good. I did one on the 1st of July and one on the 3rd of July, and then I took my sweet time with this one. That was like 3 weeks later, and now I'm working on a new one. That's going to be like another 3 weeks on top of the 2 weeks, and I haven't done anything. But I was really surprised on this whole like, comment, subscribe thing. People actually started liking, commenting, and subscribing. Yeah, that one's big. I'm still thinking about like printing this out and like hanging it up behind me or something. All right, cool. So yeah, moral of the story is that I just wanted to I'm not going to be making the video tonight. I'm still doing some homework on exactly what I want it to be. But I really wanted to get this presentation view down. This right here is what I was really looking for. Something else that I might be doing in the future is I might do something like weekly updates. Like, hey, today in the news this happened, and what I would like to do is I want to add Wi-Fi to my main computer, so that way I can attach my tablet to it. And so that this desktop, what I would do is I would rotate it in a portrait mode, and then I would go through the websites. Have that like that. You know what? So, I mean, just a real quick down and dirty of what I could do. Let's say that I were to man, let's find like a Forbes thing or something, or Grebs on security. Krebs, not Grebs, my bad. I mean, you know what I mean. And then let's say that I were to do something like display settings. Oh, this is going to really hurt my eyes. I can't control my mouse like this. Let's keep changes. And then, oh, I can't do this. But, oh wow, that actually looks really good over here. Oh man, that is slick. Oh, oh man, I am a fan. Oh, come on. Come here, let's go down. Yeah, so my screen isn't rotated, so I'm looking at it. Ah, man, that is beautiful. So, so this would be perfect. I could very well say, Grabs is talking about your wireless service and who controls it, and the Electric Frontier Foundation and AT&T. Man, I'm gonna start doing like weekly news now. This would be amazing. Oh, this was actually very interesting. Oh, I wish I could read it upside right. Marcus Hutchison, the accidental hero who arrest the helped arrest the spread of the global WannaCry. You shouldn't really say the word arrest with him in the same picture because he pretty much did get arrested. Yeah, I think that's going to be one of the things that I'm going to do. I'm going to do a deep dive in on this guy because I think he's worth a deep dive. All right, let me see display settings, man. I gotta set it back the right way on the quickness because I am looking at it sideways. Oh, thank God. All right, or thank whoever you want to thank today. All right, let me go ahead and minimize that so I can get this right where I want it. Excellent. So that's the plan, more or less. The plan is to have it set up so I can pretty much. Oh, I broke it. Oh, I duplicated. I don't want to duplicate. Oh, wow, that really messed up a lot of stuff. Yeah, hopefully I don't click that in real life while I'm actually going through with this thing. You know what? What if I were to start it over here, then hit F5? No, I want it so that the other one is always the presenter. Okay, and then I gotta set all my boxes up over here on my right screen. Preparation for this. All right, but okay, I'm feeling happy. I like where this is going. I really do. I can see this is going to be very beneficial. Now I just need to go to IKEA and get the freaking bookshelf. I got a couple books that I want to put up. I haven't read any of them because I don't read. I watch YouTube videos, but still, it's nice to have books in the background. So I'm thinking I'm thinking it's good. But at this part of whatever I'm doing, I need to look at the camera when I talk. I have a habit of doing this and this. Of course, I'm gonna have to do this if I'm reading an article, but I'm still thinking about a futon or a couch. All right. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching me stumble through all this. Hopefully, it was a little bit of behind the scenes that you wanted to look at. I am a white belt in Taekwondo. I know, right? But good. All right, sweet. Thanks, guys. And thank you for helping me out with this. And I think this is going to be great in the future. All right. So, if you guys have any questions at all, seriously, reach out to me in the links provided. I love to teach and I love showing things that I've learned, obviously, to include, streaming and YouTubing and teaching. So hit me up, say, hey, Jack, got a question about Streamlabs or OBS, and I will be happy to answer. Until then, adios.